shit, what do I do?
Against that, you don't. Garrison, go defensive.
I thought they were coming after me.
Garrison, go defensive. He's got an offensive fighting style, dude. I swear to God, Shane, if you do that and a tip hits me, I'm coming after you, too.
Shut up, Blank. Go ahead, Blank. Yeah, so you still take this thing I'm fucking with you. You're making that. You think I'm too big to run fast?
No, I just want to make you run.
Tell me fat.
Boy!
Uh-oh. Holy shit. Hey, that piece of metal was the downhill. We knew it. It's the coupler. Holy shit. Boy. Hey, he just broke out of my knuckles.
I was telling you that looked awful lightsabery.
Destruction of a coupler. A quick release coupler destroyed.
Spring. My God. You just got... His lightsaber literally just got Darth Mauled.
Fuck yeah, it did.
Yeah, let me see that piece. We do not know.
So this is the remnants of the quick release coupler that was destroyed during a dueling session. I have since replaced it with a vented coupler, which is solid.